mask, and it's Glow. It's an all-natural, cruelty-free, and vegan. I tried one before. Put one on before. And I didn't know. It was my first time, you know. I put it like around my hairline, my baby hairs and everything. And I thought I was going to have to wash it off. Little did I know you could peel it off. And I peeled off my hair, so it was like not fun. But hopefully this time it won't happen. I have 3 left. And the one that I'm picking for tonight, it's called the Neon Mask Lime Extract. A single use peel off mask. So let's do this one. I changed my mind. This one is called, just kidding. The one I chose is Gem Mask, which has sapphire, tourmaline, and hyaluronic. It smooths the skin, while the hyaluronic acid helps to plump and smooth. It gives you like a glowy, bouncy skin. So yeah. Let's just see. Oh, no, it's not. I have to put it on myself. Okay, great. This was something else. Like a butter knife. This is bad. There's a spoon. Because it is a peel-off mask. Isn't it, my dear? Okay, let's just have some fun. Oh my gosh, it smells delicious. It's already, and it has like this refreshing sensation on my face already. I think I've already put way too much on one side. Don't judge me. Instead of, don't get the fuck. See? Okay, bitch. The other side though. That was close. I almost had a fucking heart attack. I have so many baby hairs up here, it's not even funny. I think that's good, yeah. I'll leave this on for 15 minutes and then I'll come back for the painful peel off. I can't even drink it. It's been more than 15 minutes, but let's see what happens when I try to take this motherfucker out. Last time, I just kept scratching at it. It feels so tight on my face right now. Of course, there's always gonna be hairs. I have baby hairs everywhere. Okay. No getting around it. Okay. Dude, did that take my hair out? I just waxed my face with it. Oh, fuck. I'm about to like cry from like horror. Oh, this is not funny, dude. What the fuck? I literally was just talking about my baby hairs. I mean, I am not pulling it out from here. This hurts. Wasn't I just talking about how I did not want to remove my fucking hair? Maybe if I... Nope. Oh my God. I'm so never gonna ever... Oh. Probably why it plumps you up. It fucking rips all your hair out. And red, like R-E-D. Oh my God. Wow. Should I just wash off the rest and call it a day? Because you guys have seen me suffer enough. Yes. Okay, I washed it off. My face is definitely tingling. That was an experience within itself. Moisturize. I love Drunk Elephant. This is the multivitamin for your eyes. And then I'll be using the Batty Bee fan. It has two settings. One is for like, it's chill girl. The other one is like, hurry up, go, I don't have time, you know what I'm saying? Oh, my face is still pretty much tingly, and I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I'm gonna try this for the purposes of that roly-poly thing. I love how that feels. Oh. Did I say this earlier? Would I recommend this product? I don't know. I feel plump and zizzly, like I said, because of the hair pulling and all that. I'll let you know if it does change. Ooh, I do want to seal the deals off with sea toning mist or night essence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon, hopefully.